friends, see what I made using this filter. I just removed all the parts inside and fixed it to Gentle bottle. It's a liquid detergent bottle. I removed the sticker by rubbing with water. The filter cup perfectly fixes to this bottle. The cap has so many holes, useful for showering water. I have turned it to a watering can for plants. See how beautifully the water comes like a shower. I made it for my brother's son. He is very much interested in plants. He loves to water plants. We should teach kids this beautiful activity.
Thank you, Bua.
Welcome. Kids will enjoy a lot and help in Save Soil mission. So, how is this? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.